learn to lead. We make winners who lead.
Hello students, greetings from Harvard Institute of Research and Management, and in this video we are going to discuss data sufficiency part. So the mathematical skills as well as data analysis and sufficiency part is the toughest part in the May MAT examination. When we compare the previous year question with 2023 question paper, the standard of the question paper is increased, and in the way that the questions are very tough. The regular practice is very important to get a good score of 500 plus in the upcoming May MAT 2023 examination. Now, let us discuss few questions based on data sufficiency part. Read the introduction. So, before starting with your data sufficiency part, you should just go through with the introduction part. See, the questions below is followed by two statements 1 and 2. You have to determine whether the data given the statements are sufficient for answering the question. If the statement 1 alone is sufficient to answer the question, option A, and you should choose your option as B if the statement 2 alone is sufficient to answer the question. And your answer should be C if both the statements are required to answer the question. Okay, if both the statements 1 and 2 are not sufficient to answer the question, you should choose the answer as option B. Now see here, what is the average height of the students in a class? Okay, that is the question. Now let us try to solve this. Yes. The average height increased by 1 if the shortest students whose height 42 inches excluded. See, let us take the average of all the students as x, and there are n number of students in the class. Okay, right? So average height increased by 1 if the shortest student whose height is excluded. See, average height increases by 1, right? So it should be x plus 1. Okay, so there are n number of students and its average is x, and if the shortest student whose height 42 is excluded, so I'm going to exclude 42 and also one student from number of students n minus 1. Okay, so if I solve this, I'll get x plus 1 into n minus 1, okay, plus 42 is equal to x. That is the data which I get in the first statement. Okay, with this statement, first alone I cannot determine the answer, so I'll take the next question. Next statement. The average height decreases by 1 if the tallest student whose height 56 is excluded. Same nx minus 56 I'm going to exclude, and I'm going to exclude one student. Okay, so x minus 1 into n minus 1 plus 56 is equal to nx. So in both the statement question, see, the right hand side becomes equal, right? So you can equate the left hand side. So x plus 1 into n minus 1 plus 42 is equal to x minus 1 into n minus 1 plus 56. So multiply inside nx, x, and then minus x plus n minus 1 plus 42. Similarly, xn minus x minus n plus 1 plus 56. Okay, so xn I can cancel, and also minus x I can cancel. So n plus 41 is equal to minus n plus 57. So 2n is equal to 57 plus minus 41. Okay, right? What is 57 minus 41? 16, and n is equal to 8. See, from the given data, by combining both the data, I have found the value of number of students in the class. By substituting the number of students in any one of the above two equations, we can find the average height of the students in a class X. Okay, so if you combine both the statements, you will get the answer. That is your answer. Option C is your answer. Now, let us move to the next question. Geeta is taller than Babita. See, from the given data. See, let us write the given data first. Okay, Geeta is taller than Babita. And Shreya is shorter than Mansi. And we don't know the relation between these four. Okay, who is the shortest is the question. From statement 1, they are told that Geeta is the tallest. Okay, and if Geeta is the tallest, but I have to know whether Mansi and Shreya will come here or in which place we are not sure. So let us take the statement 2. Babita is taller than Mansi. So Babita is taller than Mansi. See, if I combine both the statements, so Geeta is the tallest, Babita is taller than Mansi, and Shreya will be the shortest. If you combine both the statements, you can get the answer easily. So option C is your answer. Okay. Now let us move to the next question. See, the Piyush and Govind's age are in the ratio of 7:5. What is Piyush age? That is a given. And from statement 1, the age of Piyush and Meera, they have given 3:1. See, there comes another unknown person, Meera. So, if there are 3 unknown persons, you should be able to have 3 equations. But I have only 2 equations. So, by combining the given statement and the statement 1, you cannot answer the question. So, let us move on to the statement 2. After 5 years, the ages of Piyush and Anil. See, there comes another new person, Piyush and Anil. Their ages ratio will be 4:3. So, in total, there are 4 unknown people are there. Even though if we combine all the 3 statements, that is the statement 1 and 2, and also the given statement, we cannot able to answer. Okay, because there are 4 unknowns, we have only 3 equations, with that we cannot answer. So the basic logic is, if you have 1 unknown, you should have 1 equation. If you have 2 unknown, you should have 2 equations. Right? So option D is your answer. Both the statements 1 and 2 are not sufficient to answer the question. Next. Salary and Anil are in the ratio, Anil and Babu are in the ratio 3:4. Okay. And expenditure are in the ratio 4:5. What is the ratio of their savings? See, salary of Anil and Babu are in the ratio 3:4. And expenditure in the ratio 4:5, that is a given. And if I take first, Babu's saving is 25% of his salary. 25% in 4 parts, 1 part is his saving, and remaining 3 parts will be the expenditure. Babu's salary is 2,500. If Babu's salary is 2,500, let us take. So salary of Babu is 2,500. Okay, when we discuss about salary. So this 4 part is 2,500 and 1 part will be 4, that is 1/4 of 2,500, 1,250, 625. And 3 parts will be 1,875. Okay, now see here, what is their Babu's salary? 2,500. Now, next the question is, what is the ratio of their savings they are asking? Okay, Babu's saving is 25% of his salary. So Babu save how much? 25%. What is 25% of 2,500? 625. And what is his expenditure? 2,500 minus 625. 2,900, 1,875 is the expenditure. That is, we know that expenditure is 4:5. Right? And 5 parts is 1,875. So to find out the 1 part, divide 1,875 by 5. So 3, 37, 35, 7 times 375. From this, you have to find out the 4 part only. So 1,200 plus 300, 1,500 is the expenditure of Anil. Okay, and how much Anil will save? 375. Okay, if you take the ratio of 375 is to 625, you can get the ratio of their savings of both Anil and Babu. So both the statements are required to answer the question. So option C is your answer. So you should be thorough with the basic concepts of finance as well as reasoning. to answer your data sufficiency. Okay, I hope you all got few ideas regarding the how to solve data sufficiency part, right? You should be thorough with the basic concepts and you should know fast calculations. That is very important. All the best, students. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. In the upcoming video, we are going to give you more tips and tricks for the May MAT 2023. All the best. The registration for 45 days online crash course for the upcoming May MAT 2023 is open now. If you want to score 550 plus in the upcoming May MAT 2023 with our experienced faculties, don't forget to enroll for this course. And if you want to enroll for this course, kindly enroll through the number 8870046080. All the best, students.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.